In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record audio in Clipchamp, 5 minutes. If you want a quick, clean way to capture voiceovers right inside your video editor, Clipchamp makes it simple. Start by opening your browser and heading to clipchamp.com. If you land on the home page, you can jump straight into the app or click Sign in the top right corner. When prompted, choose Continue with Microsoft. Select your Microsoft account and complete the sign in. If your browser asks for permission to use the microphone later, be sure to allow it so Clipchamp can record your audio. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the Clipchamp home screen. Click Create a new video to open a fresh project. This brings you into the editor, where you'll see the timeline at the bottom, a preview in the center, and tools on the left panel. On the left, click Record and Create, and then choose Audio. This opens the recording window. Before you start, select your microphone from the dropdown. If you have an external mic or a headset, pick that for better sound quality. Speak a few words and watch the input meter. You want a healthy level that isn't peaking into the red. If your voice is too faint or too loud, adjust your mic volume in your system settings or move closer or farther from the mic. A quick tip: record in a quiet room, face the microphone, and use headphones to prevent echo from your speakers. When you're ready, click the red record button. You'll see a brief countdown, then start speaking clearly and at a steady pace. Keep your distance from the mic consistent and try to minimize background noise like fans or keyboard clicks. If you stumble, pause for a moment and repeat the sentence. This makes it easier to trim later. When you're done, click the red button again to stop. You can now preview your take. Listen for clarity, background noise, and overall level. If it doesn't sound right, you can re-record until you're happy with it. When you're satisfied, click Save and Edit. Clipchamp adds the audio to your media and places it on the timeline. From here, you can trim the ends, split out mistakes, and adjust volume so it sits nicely with your video. If you're layering this as a voiceover, position it under the right visuals and fine-tune timing as needed. That's it. You've recorded audio in Clipchamp, saved it to your project, and you're ready to keep editing. Thanks for watching and happy creating.